minute. And 3. Oh, you got. Luka, show me. You got soil in 3, 2, 1. 1. Here it is. Got it. I did not do like this. And I opened mine. But it's okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. I got the toffee again.
Oh, you exchange kay pangboy man na. Kanisi pangboy.
Oh.
Ang color.
I got toffee, but we got exchange.
No left or...
Ate, look, it's spinning. Yeah, it can spin. La pupu. La pupu. Wait, I have to count it, Tito, until it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Dili makasunod dito sa
7,
labagon,
8,
no?
9, 10.
Dili, kung wala kay katong ticket.
What do you mean it's 10 teeth?
Ambot mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who even has a labubu that has 10 teeth?
Very good.
I like this. I like only that. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 labubu teeth. Let me count the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mine is 5. No, it's not. It's 10. The picture says it's 9, but this one is really 10. Who's a labubu that has 10 teeth? I said 10. This is what I got. This is what I got too. A picture. This one. I really wanted the secret, the cyan sesame, and the soy milk, and the green grape. And this is my soy milk. Why did you say soil milk? It's soy milk. Wait, have your good day. Bye.